పిఎంసి ప్రేక్షకులకి నమస్కారం. మనం ఎందరో మహానుభావులతో సజ్జన సాంగత్యం చేస్తున్నాం. ఈరోజు మన అదృష్టం సన్నుయోగి గారు. వారు మనతో సజ్జన సాంగత్యం చేయడానికి అవకాశం కల్పించారు. వారు గ్రేట్ యోగి, నిరాహార యోగి, అలాగే ఎన్నో సంవత్సరాలు ఆహారం లేకుండా ఉన్నారు. మహావతార్ బాబాజీని 2 టైమ్స్ మీట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. వారితో ఆల్రెడీ మనం వన్ ఎపిసోడ్ చేశాం. ఇప్పుడు మరొకసారి వారితో ఈ యొక్క ఇంటరాక్షన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అనేది మనం చేస్తూ ఉన్నాం. నమస్కారం స్వామీజీ.
Namaskaram.
థ్యాంక్ యూ గివింగ్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ స్వామీజీ.
Sent to you. Thanks to PMC channel to give us to the opportunity to protect to the humanity. You're welcome.
Swamiji, please explain Swamiji how to improve the immunity system through the sun, Swamiji.
Immunity system is the most important part to protecting our physical, mental, vital, spiritual, emotional, psychological, all the health, means all the benefits, balancing in energy form to bring us peaceful life. It's a very important. So first I give thanks to Mahavatar Babaji, who is the very important person and for me, and this great saint in the universe who has treated lots of people by the different dimensions, the yoga, kriya yogas and different things, and Sanjoga also. I got through him by his blessings. So my humble pranam to the Mahavatar Babaji's lotus feet. He has given me this immunity power to how to build through the sun. He is the talk to me. Immunity power is the most important part through our mind. If we are becoming weak-minded, then we lose our immunity power. If we have a confidence of ourselves, self-confidence, and then we can build the immunity power. As an example, one person was in jail. His punishment was got, and his punishment was become hanging because he was did the some. It was in America, and suppose next day he will get hanging punishment, means hang. He will get the hang to get the punishment to death. And tonight means a few hours before, scientist group is reached to his cell. They says, you are you did a big crime, so we got the government authority. We are not waiting for to the morning, and we came to kill you now. And they shown to them one king cobra, and that king cobra was not the real king cobra. It is an artificial king cobra, and they make a sound very nicely, and then that criminal was very much afraid, fiery, and they make him to more fiery to bring to the king cobra closer to him, and he was more fiery. At that time he was sitting on the chair, very cruel way they tied to their hand and leg with the chair and to the criminal, tied and put on the black cloth in his eyes. And then they put 2 needles, safety needle, not in the poisonous. It was the scientist, so they went to the test. They put the 2 small needle to his feet. Within 2 minutes, by fear he died.
Mhm.
And next day, what called that we test in that doctor, no? That Mainathadantu we used to say, postmortem. And postmortem report has came, and his brain there, they found the king cobra's poison. Can you imagine
Mm.
how our thought can produce
Mm.
by our fear and king cobra's poison, though king cobra was not biting. So similarly, if why it was happened, his mentally he was so weak and he was fearing.
Mhm.
That way he knows that fear has created that poison. So if we can build the mental strength, and that poison also can be cured by our thought, purifying thought, then we can bring the amritam, and that is the human power. We are, nature has everything is available. If we can trust to the nature, if we can connect to the nature, if we can merge with the nature, nature can protect to us always.
Mhm.
Through the sun, how we can get it? It's a very, very interesting thing.
Mm.
You see, when we are, this is a simple technique,
Mhm.
and you can see that how human power Sanyoga can give.
Mm.
And where I was standing, there was minus 45 degrees centigrade. It was in Tapovan. Behind me there is a Sibling Mountain, and you can see how human power can be built through the Sanyoga and lying down on the snow.
Mm.
But I was not feeling cold.
Mm.
So temperature was minus 30 degrees centigrade on the ice temperature.
Mhm.
So this build the human power.
Mm.
It's so simple.
Mm.
We have to look the sun. There is some technique. It should not be practiced without the proper guidance.
Mm.
Because there is some process to preparing the mind. Before that, there is an instruction, 3 instruction is there.
Mm.
And after this so simple way, when you are looking the sun, then through the Agna chakras, you can see the children's also doing the sun meditation. And now 1,800 school students are practicing the sun meditation. And those students used to get average 50% mark in their class. After 3 months practice, they used to get the 80% mark. That also their memory power increase. That is the one kind of human power. Also, it also build the one kind of self-confidence. Means human power is building. I'm coming.
Memory power also increase.
Yes. You see that how child are doing comfortable and tears is coming down and relax. That's the process. Everybody we can become a relax and do the practice. You can see the 6 years girl, small baby, how she is practicing. And there is a theory I'll come later. First I'm coming to the sun and how it is going to the brain and human power is building. This is the black box theory we are applying to the sun meditation. Looking the sun through the Agna chakras. When you are focusing make it eyeball up, little up, and focusing from the center point of eyebrow. That means we are making connection with the Agna chakras, and Agna chakras has a tiny hole.
This is called Shambhavi Mudra, Swamiji?
Yes, exactly Shambhavi Mudra. And we are focusing from the center point of eyebrow is a tiny hole. You see, as black box, tiny hole. Our brain is a black box. And Agna chakras is that tiny hole.
Okay.
And when we are focusing through the Agna chakras to the meditation, all the meditation, they used to focus on the Agna chakras. This is a great science. It's our Indian traditional science. But today sometimes we are thinking it's a religion, it is a rituality, and meditation is there. Some people used to think the rituality. It's a spiritual. It will come later. And now you see when we are connecting it to the Agna chakras, this tiny hole, black box tiny hole, when it goes inside, and it reflected to the pineal gland. And when it reflects to the pineal gland, then pineal gland receives the energy to the cerebellum. You can see the left side picture, the brain picture.
Okay.
Pineal gland is receiving to the energy and bringing to the cerebellum. And that drawing picture, which was the drawing picture, it is my, when it was the gift of the Babaji, when I was received the sun cosmic energy, when I cannot, I was able to see the water molecules, then Babaji was opened my brain inside the screen and how it was internal, what was working. I'm showing from that picture. So pineal gland receive the sun cosmic energy and bring to the cerebellum. And cerebellum make the metabolism 5-element energy separate. And that 5-element energy goes to the 2% of our cerebrum.
Okay.
Yeah.
Only 2%.
2%. You know, it's a very interesting thing. Is 98% brain is always fresh memory, which is the cosmic memory.
Okay.
And that 98% brain memory, almost all the human being we are sent. And that memory, when universe was started creation, from that time to till my conceiving time, what memory has in the universe, purifying memory means achievement memory, means realizing memory. All the memory is 98% brain inside. So now our children will be much intellect than us. Why? Because when we born, from our conceiving movement to our children's conceiving movement, there is lots of change in the universe.
Okay, Swamiji.
That memory has not in our 98% brain memories inside. But that added to our children's memory. What memory we have, universal memory, that is there. Plus from our conceiving movement to the child conceiving movement, that gap in time, what changes in the universe, what relation has been the universe inside, that memory also in 98% brain of our children's inside adding. So that's why they will be much talented than us. But 2% brain is our individual brain. We cannot utilize the 98% brain. Even we cannot utilize the 2% brain also normally. And so 2% brain, when we born in mother's womb, that time, what was the parents' thought was arising at that time? That is our character. That is our heartbeats of our life. That is the character. And then what, when we stay in the mother's womb, when we came out and after activities we are doing, all the memory will be 2% brain inside, good and bad memories. So many thoughts are incomplete staying in our brain. That is creating the problem in our 2% memories inside. In memory we have started getting lost because 2% brain has a limited place. When thought came, but we could not complete, then it is staying in the 2% brain. When it is complete, it goes to the 98% brain. Means when we got the realization, until realization, thought will not complete. This is the process, cosmic process. When we got that realization, then thought will reach to that 98% brain. So 2% brain will be that time free. But normal people, we cannot. So normal people's memory is hanging in the 2% brain. How it is blocking to us? As an example, our computer. When we started working, we have to open the window. We started working, but mind is jumping, we open another window. Sometime multi-window open and computer become hang. Plus into plus equal to plus, but here result is minus, hang is minus. Similarly, the here brain, when we thought came, then our computer window is open. We started working. But when computer, our thought is not completed, our process is not realized, then incomplete windows are hanging our 2% brain inside. So it is becoming heavy heavy and heavier. So that's why we are becoming stressed. Now through the sun energy, right, we are receiving through the Agna chakras, connecting to the pineal gland to reach to the cerebellum. After that, 5 element energy goes to the 2% brain, where is a lots of incomplete thoughts are hanging. They are also incomplete of the 5 element energy.
Mhm.
Now what will happen? This sun cosmic energy, where immediately that will be removed. Immediately will be removed. And immediately that will be removed there. And then what will happen? Then fraction of second, our brain will be free and will be good memory power. And when we will build our memory power,
Mhm.
and we'll get the self-confidence. And when we got the self-confidence, then our immune power is started increasing. And tremendous way, it will be increase our the immune power. Then sun cosmic nature will connecting to us.
Mhm.
And through the sun cosmic nature, when it will connecting to us, then what will happen? Then each and through the medulla oblongata, that energy pass through the each and every cells and each and every organs inside. Where is the physical blockage? It will remove the physical blockage. Where is the mental blockage? That will be remove the mental blockage. Where is a spiritual blockage? That will be cleansing the spiritual blockage. So any kind of blockage will be cleaned through the Sun Yogas. So this is the human power we can build through the Sun Yoga. And there is a very interesting science how is proving.
Mhm.
There is a left is chlorophyll and right one bigger part is the hemoglobin. And chlorophyll formula, hemoglobin formula almost same. Only the difference between the magnesium and iron. Chlorophyll has magnesium, that's why it's green color. Hemoglobin has iron, that's why it's a red color. So chlorophyll structure, hemoglobin structure are the same. Even their pH also same. So when sun cosmic energy tree can receive and produce the food and balancing their energy through naturally, then our blood also able to receive the sun cosmic energy through from the nature and cleansing there, so it can build tremendous our immune power through the sun energy. Thank you very much for your very interesting question. So if you
Swamiji, how to connect the sun? How to receive the sun energy, Swamiji?
yeah, that's the very important. Through the pineal gland. Through the pineal gland, when we look the sun cosmic energy, and then there is before that mental preparation is there, 3 instruction is there, and because we need not to look directly sun. So that's why we can rising up, eyeball up, then retina will be protected, physical eye will be protected, and we can receive the higher energy through the Ajna chakras. Now 3 eye together, third eye and 2 physical eye, knowledge eye and 2 physical eye, 3 eye make the triangle. So it will give us the boost energy. And then what should be our feeling with the sun? Our feeling should be as a friend, as Krishna and Arjuna was relationship. Arjuna was given higher respect to Krishna to as God, but feel as friend. Similarly, you have to give respect. Nature is God, but feel as a friend, because nature only the giving me chance to alive. So we have to make friendship with the sun, with the nature. Third things, nature is automatically giving the purification. Our thought is blocking, so we'll be thoughtless condition. We'll give surrender to the sun, to the nature. Then nature can protecting us. As very nice example in present moment, coronavirus is affected all over the world, and everybody we are fearing all over the world, and so many people's life has taken. At the time when we were in the lockdown situation, we can remember within a month it was how tough everybody, because we are mentally was not ready. And in that 1 month, Ganga river water was very clean. It was able to drinkable. Delhi, where always it was the dark, dusty weather, means we cannot see the sky. Within a month, from Delhi, Himalaya was been visible. So how clean was there? So nature is always ready to give us clean. So our nature also same inside. So when our thought is polluted, though nature is coming to us, it cannot be helping us. So there, the third instruction is there. We should not expect, we do our best. That is the three instruction is very important. Then we prepare the mind, we will give the respect to our parents, that will our give strength. We'll give respect to our guru, guardians, teachers to whom we learn something, maybe younger, elder, enemy, friends. Then we'll give respect to our ancestors and our great saints, the great deities to whom we trust. Then we give respect to the nature. Then we will feel that all the living beings are one family member. Then we'll put the self-inquiry question, who am I? Then we'll build the self-confidence within and make friendship with the sun. Then we'll open the eye to look the sun. And it's so simple. Within 3 days, people will be, any aged people, they can get the practice. So when we are looking the center point of eyebrow, next process I was giving to you before talk, how that pineal gland is receiving to the sun cosmic energy to go to the cerebellum, to the cerebrum. And so that's way we can, there's a process to practical process we can teach on the practical class. Thank you very much. It is a so easy process.
Lot of people say Aditya Hridayam.
Yeah.
The sun is connected to in heart chakra.
Yes.
What is the relation between sun and heart chakra?
Very good news. Very good news. What is the sun? Sun is a form of light. And what is the heart chakra? Or unconditional love?
Unconditional love.
And is it not a light?
No, Swami.
Yes.
It is love.
Love is a external rain, suppose, and how that bulb is giving the light. There is a filament. When that energy is going to there, what is that? Love. Love is the energy form.
Love is the one of the energy form.
Highest energy form. Unconditional love is the one of the highest energy form. And heart is a filament. And when love is passing, energy is passing through the filament, light will come out now. Can you understand?
Excellent. Okay, Swamiji. I understood right now.
So this is the Aditya. Aditya is a sun, is a light form, and our unconditional love, where is the person that also will give us the visualizing? Our inner life, which is existing inside. So that's why we used to say Aditya Hridayam. So Aditya is sun and Hridayam is the heart chakras. And now you see, we have 7 chakras in our body. Muladhara chakras,
Swadhisthana,
Muladhara, Manipur, Anahata, heart chakra, Visuddhi, Agna, and Sahasrara. 7 chakras are there. And heart chakras is our center. Above 3 and lower 3. It is the center. So it is a neutral one. And it is a very interesting question you put it. I will give you one small example. Magnet. How many poles? Magnet has how many poles? 2 poles.
2 poles. South pole and North pole.
North pole. So what is the nature of North pole and what is the nature of the South pole?
One side is receiving, one side is reflecting.
Expanding. Good. North pole is expanding and South pole is contracting. And when I was deep meditation, then my thought came, how North pole could expand the energy and how South pole could contract the energy. Where is the connection? Is it my question is wrong?
No, Swami.
So when I put on this my meditation and I silence, I never asking to the immediately answer This is my question I send to the cosmos and to the Babaji. I have trust to the Babaji, so always Babaji is in my heart.
Mm.
So I know Babaji will be on time when my receiving capacity will be there, then Babaji will be answered.
Okay, okay.
And another, he is answering, but we cannot receive because
Okay.
our antenna is not connected. Our receiver is not connected.
Your
So,
frequency is not matching.
matching, yes, our frequency is not matching. And then, when I was looking the sun, and I put the question, suddenly I saw sun was become a tube.
Mm.
And then from the sun, one side how energy is expanding, and one side another how sun cosmic energy is contracting.
Mm.
Then what I saw, sun, another pole is the center, which is called the black hole of the sun. And
Okay.
they are creating vacuum,
Mhm.
very strong vacuum.
Mhm.
And through the vacuum from the south pole energy is soaking
Mhm.
and goes inside the black hole of the sun. Where is the inside the deep black hole is called the white hole.
Mhm.
And that got the purification energy form is changing to the purifying energy and sending back to the north pole. And north pole is sending the pure energy, and south pole is collecting to the impurified energy,
Mhm.
which is part of the universe. And then this is the process is going on. So if magnet has three pole is this way going, then our physical body also become a magnet.
Mhm.
Our Sahasrara chakras is north pole.
Mhm.
Through our thought,
Okay.
through our intellect, we are expanding the energy.
Mm.
That is the north pole energy. And Muladhara chakras is south pole energy.
Mhm.
And that is the contracting energy through the emotion.
Mhm.
And sometimes we used to apply our intellect too much, but our money, financial support, materialistic support cannot be balancing. So we are could not succeed. And it is impossible to normal people to balance it.
Mhm.
And but because our thought cannot balance, thought has a limitation, but that has a cosmic connection.
Mhm.
And sometimes we are applying to our power and strength, money, as today's China is trying to all over the world to capture it by power.
Mm.
They are also getting hurt. Mafias, they are applying to the power to catch to the humanity, but they also could not succeed. Intellect people also not succeeded, and materialistic awareness also not succeeded because that is not balancing, because we are focusing north pole and south pole energy. But there is a center pole on
Mhm.
which is the center pole, black hole of our body, that is the unconditional love. Conditional love is tempted our intellect and emotion.
Mhm.
But unconditional love is balancing our intellect and emotion, and then our feeling will start.
Mhm.
And solution is the feel from the heart, then do. Then so simple, life is so simple. Our solution is the so simple. Feel from the heart, then do any activities. Definitely will balance our intellect and emotion side by side and will become peaceful. So Anahata Chakra is that way called the Aditya Hridayam. Means it has connection with the cosmic consciousness. As we saw, this is also powerful. It also conscious, unconditional love and passing through. Peaceful light means our soul light will be started reflecting from the Anahata Chakra. So that's why it has connection to the Samyoga.
Swamiji, one sloka is there. Arogyam Bhaskaraadityet.
Yes.
What is the relation between
Yeah.
health and sun?
Sun. Very nice question.
Mm.
You see, now we are coming to this part. So it is a very interesting question, and we are coming to that. We are coming to the law of the creation of the light. So here you see the cosmic energy converted to the photon energy. Do you remember the 2007 when Babaji was appeared to the Himalayas? And then Babaji was teaching me to this philosophy, the cosmic energy converted to the photon energy. So that photon energy is the sun. And from the sun, the earth was separated, means earth is the part of the sun. At that moment, earth was as a form of the sun, it was a form of the light. And when that earth was becoming cooling down and becoming light is becoming solidiform, then first solid was become an atom. Atom is the space element, it is invisible, but it is existing. And then it become a molecule, that is the fire element. Two atom is become together, it's a molecule, it's a fire element. Then mixed molecule was connecting, which was the air element. At least three molecules, oxygen, hydrogen and nitrogen. That three molecules when will become together, then only it will become a air form. And then 6 air molecules is become together, it was become a water molecules. And then 2 water molecules is become a earth molecules. So that 5 element after still there was no life because there was no atmosphere. So it was not easy to directly light to the photon to the molecule to there. It was a atom to the there. It was not possible. It was required for environment through the evolutionary process. Create the environment where which kind of elements or which kind of living being can exist. That time it was came through the natural bounding way. So this 5 element, when got the atmosphere to life can be existing, then there was a first created the microbes, invisible single cell microbes, and then microbes to the it was came to the bacteria, virus, and then fungus, then plants, then the living beings, and the human beings we came. So that life is connecting with the cosmic consciousness to the sun. So then when we are survived, that means when we are connecting to the our frequency and sun frequency, nature frequency is together, then we are become healthy. When our thought is blocking in between our frequency and nature frequency, then we got our disease. And through the sun meditation, and when we are connecting to the sun, our inner sun and external sun is getting balanced, then it will become healthy. So through the sun, this is our yoga's process, meditation process. Now I am coming to the nature. You see, some crops as a rice, wheat, and paddies, and any kind of fruits, when it is going to damage, what we do, we put on the sunlight.
Okay.
And then it got the pure. Understand? If sun can give the strength to the non-living being who has not the physical consciousness, and we have a consciousness, then how do we can we get the healthy life in the sun through the sun or not? It's true. It's true. Sun and health has a connection with the light and the flow of the energy of the light. It is due to the sun. You see, if we disconnect from the any part, from the cosmic to the photon, or photon to the element, or element to the life inside, then it become a dead body. There will be no life. And if there is no life, then there is a health, a illness, or healthy. There is no meaning. So life is existing. That's why we are ill and healthy. And if we are balancing our frequency with the cosmic frequency, and through the sun is the media to get connection with the cosmic frequency, and that's why sun and health is a great relation in our ancient, our scriptures and scientific practice. So it is ancient, our heritage. Yes.
Thank you, Swamiji. And the sun reflecting to the health.
Yes.
Health and peace.
Yes.
What is the relation between health and peace, Swamiji?
Wonderful. Wonderful. We are thinking health means only the physical body is healthy or not.
Mm.
That health is only the 2%, less than 2%.
Mm.
Our health is healthy mind.
Mm.
Am I right?
Yes, Swamiji.
If we are a healthy mind,
Mm.
then automatically our physical body could be healing by the healthy mind. Because mind power, physical power has a certain distance movement. But
Mm.
mind power, next second it can reach to the America,
Mm.
next second it can reach to the so far.
Mm.
So how mind is powerful. If we know how to
Mm.
apply the mind.
Mm.
So health, if we are healthy, another side, if we are physically also ill, then also mind will be disturbed. So health and mind they are correlated.
Mm-hmm.
If mind is ill, then our physical body will be ill.
Mm-hmm.
It is just a primary level.
Mm.
Then mind can heal to the physical body.
Mm-hmm.
But when physical body is totally ill, means too weak, then our mind also will become weak. And then mind also cannot support to our physical body.
Mm-hmm.
But why mind could not support?
Mm-hmm.
Because of lack of the self-confidence, we are alive and life.
Mm-hmm.
Life and aliveness are different. We used to think life is aliveness. No.
Mm-hmm.
Life and aliveness is a different.
Mm-hmm.
What is the life?
Mm-hmm.
Energy, everything inside the electron, proton, neutron, proton, xenon, radon, that energy is flowing is there. Each and every particles inside. Am I right?
Yes, Swamiji.
Even stone, if we break, then it will come to the atom. And after the atom, then it will come to the electron, proton, neutron. That means there is the energy flow. We cannot see by our limited vision. In our physical body also break, then also it will come to the atom, electron, proton, neutron. So same energy will come. So non-living being also has a life, and living being also has a life, but non-living being has not aliveness, and living being has aliveness. Then what is the difference between life and aliveness? Aliveness is their cosmic energy to the photon, to the 5-element energy, to the light, to again going to the cosmic energy. That way we are alive. Could you understand? Is it got clear?
Swamiji, yes, Swamiji.
So, when that energy flow is continue non-stop, that is called the aliveness. And when our mind is weak, we lose the self-confidence. Then slowly we are putting the barrier in between to our realization, to connecting the life to the consciousness. Then we are becoming slowly dead. Slowly towards the death. So when our mentally we are too much weak, depressed, and then we cannot build our physical body. But if we can, there is no way. And then again we have to build the mental power. As suppose 10 people is came to with sharp gun or sharp knife to surrounding me. When I have no way, I know I selected, yes, now I have to go, means I will die, they will make me kill. At that time, in the end moment, I will get this mental strength. I will not die easily. I will try to come out. If I have a confidence, then I can come out from the 10 people, I can make myself. Similarly, God is great. God is giving us suffering to return, to purifying our blockage, to connecting, opening awareness, to reconnecting. So, and when we, what is the peace? Peace is the nature of the cosmos. When children was the peaceful, when you very child, they were peaceful because their awareness was connected with the cosmic consciousness. They have no doubt, they have no emotion, they have no identical expectation. That's why they were peaceful. But when we are becoming adult, we block our thought to the thought, then we are unpeaceful. And so health and peace has the connection. If we can become a healthy physical body, physical mind, then easily the step by step we can connecting to the cosmic consciousness, which is the nature of the peace. And then we'll get connection. That will be connecting to the Anahata chakras. When we will start connecting to the Anahata chakras, that black hole has connection with the cosmic black hole. So, through the Anahata chakras, we will get connection to the cosmic consciousness, will become a peaceful, when it become a thoughtless condition. That is called the meditation. Thanks to PMC, means Pyramid Meditation, our great saint Brahmurshi Potriji is guiding so many people. He is creating the awareness to do the meditation, and meditation is the real solution. It's a great medicine for the physical, mental, vital, spiritual, emotional, economical, psychological, all sides. So I am agreed with him. Meditation is the way to give the solution to how to connect health and peace. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Swamiji. Before you tell Swamiji, rituality is the different and spirituality is the different.
Yes.
What is the difference between rituality and spirituality?
Very nice question. You know, rituality and spirituality, there is very less difference. It is not too much. It's a very simple things. Without awareness, with awareness. When we are anything working blindly, then it is become a ritual.
Doing the kriya is rituality.
Yeah, without awareness. Blindly, where somebody is talking, I am just connecting. Then I cannot develop. Just I will get some benefit, but not ultimate benefit. What we can, and this meditation also could be doing the puja. Also could be rituality, but puja can be also spirituality. Meditation also could be spirituality if we put on our awareness, 100% awareness, and do that. Suppose mother is cooking on the kitchen. And that also spiritual work. If mother is thinking, I'm cooking for my children, and then mother will put on unconditional love. Then mother will not think about that somebody will thanks me or not. Mother will do from the heart. And then same thing, one cook is cooking, servant is cooking. And they will cook for the money. And they will cook for the sometime as a sat themselves. And then it will become a ritual.
Okay.
So when mother is cooking the food with unconditional love, that is the spiritual. And when cook is cooking by the conditional love for the money or expectation, that is the ritual.
Hotel food is rituality, home food is spirituality.
Mother is in spirituality and cook is the rituality.
Okay. So,
yeah.
Thank you, so.
Work is same. And similarly, some people who are doing the meditation just for the benefit of the certain condition. I want to health, I want to money, I want to mental peace, or this and that. It's a conditional. We are doing the meditation. Still, it is become a ritual what we are doing. We do some work, definitely benefit will be there. But ultimate benefit we cannot. So it will blocking to our ultimate journey, but though we are hardly working, same energy will apply to do by unconditional with the trust, and then it will be spirituality. Same. Now I will give one very nice example. Suppose people are eating the sugar cane. Sugar cane, when we are eating with our teeth, chewing, and how we are satisfied, how we are happy. The juice will be so tasty. But same juice, if we collect from the machine and drinking, is it same enjoyable? Enjoy will be there?
No, Swamiji.
Taste also will be not there. Because our experience is losing. What we got experience to get the sugarcane juice through our teeth machine. And we are artificial machine which has no our physical connection. It is the external way we are collecting. So that energy was not connecting. That our karma energy was not connecting there. So it was not tested. Another one thing. Can we share after chewing the sugarcane by our teeth? How we satisfied to drink the sugarcane juice? Impossible. We cannot share. It is our own experience. What we can share? We can share what we put it outside. So outlet of the sugarcane, wastage part of the sugarcane. So is it not our scripture? Is it not our book? Is that outlet of the sugarcane juice? Sugarcane. Could you got my point?
Yes, Swamiji.
Experience cannot be writing down. Those are writing, they are writing what is fitting outside. So that's why scriptures is not reading for everyone. For the Brahmin. Brahmin is Brahma Janati Sa Brahmana. Who has the knowledge of the Brahma? Who has
knowledge of Brahma Gnana?
Yeah, Pragyan means the complete knowledge. Who has the self-realized? They are the Brahmin. Because the cosmic knowledge has been written after the higher realization. And they are writing very nicely, but that experience cannot be writing. It was not their fault. And so we have to get experience something, then able to understand what that. And that's why it called the Brahmin only can read, not in the our physical thread we are putting the body and Brahmin. It is not. It is a not ritual Brahmin, it is a spiritual Brahmin, means the self-realization. So now you see the rituality and spirituality is Kutu got the clear. Those people we are studying the big book and become a scientist. We got the PhD, the highest degree, and that is called PhD, means Doctorate of Philosophy. What is the philosophy? Sufi. Philosophy. Sufi means there is no duality. When it will be no duality? When macrocosmos and microcosmos are oneness. There is no duality. When God and devotee is one, devotee has no own identity. Devotee is feeling, nature is giving me breath, God is giving me breath, everything is doing by God. Me is the instrument. I have a responsibility to get experience. So I'm lucky God has given me this life to do some best to get experience. Then we are the together, God and me, there is oneness. That's called the non-duality. So feel Sufi, feel non-duality. How it will come? When we'll get the higher enlightenment stage, when our awareness could be expanding to the macrocosmos to the microcosmos, then it start the philosophy. Now, today's that reading the bookish knowledge philosophy is, we used to say P full stop H full stop D.
Mhm.
That meaning is permanent. P is permanent. H is head. D is damage.
Mhm.
Today's our PhD, after we got the big ego, nobody can break their ego. They have a very limited theoretical knowledge. You know that wastage part of the sugar cane. They have never drink on the real sugar cane. They have not experienced themselves. Just they are copy to the somebody's thought and they are putting to their degree. And today they are leading to the society. How society could be peaceful? Can you understood? Where is the difference between the rituality and the spirituality? And ours, the ancient education system was there. There was a spirituality until unless get the self-realization. We are not started our education.
Mhm.
Education has not started yet.
Mhm.
After the realization, self-realization, then education will be start. Even after the realization, only we are able to get married. Before it is not possible.
Mhm.
Because if I don't know myself, how do I know my husband? How do know my children? How do know my wife? How do know my neighbors?
Mhm.
Possible. So that's why this ancient education system, first we have to be get the self-realization that called the brahmachari. ब्रह्मो में विचरण करते हैं जो उसको कहा जाते है ब्रह्मचारी. Means who is merged with the Brahma. That called the brahmachari. It is not an unmarried. In same time, unmarried person has to be first reach to the connecting with the Brahma. Then they can go to the next step is the Garhastha life, means marriage life.
Grihasthashram.
Grihasthashram. This is so science. So science. So our ancient education system was the real spiritual step. And today's modern education system is the ritual steps. Is it getting clear? So, most important simple way, without awareness, blindly, what we trust and doing, that is called rituality. With awareness, with the self-confidence, what we are doing, that is called the spiritual.
Thank you, Swamiji. In this pandemic situation,
Yes.
improving the immunity power,
Yes.
you manufacture one Ayurvedic product.
Yes.
Please explain, Swamiji, how to use that product, how to benefit that product.
Yeah, it's a very interesting question you have asked me, and that is today we will be talk these things. We made Banaspati Amritam 2 SY, and that is the pandemic situation that coronavirus, it can cleanse, and it can cleanse the any kind of microbial infections. Actually, my father used to do the medicine, Ayurveda medicine, and I was the his one of that helper. I used to helping him in the childhood. To the sun, you know that coronavirus can be cleansed, and all over the world, more than 3 million people are practicing. Even America, London, Italy, German, South Korea, Europe, so many countries, and Malaysia, and so many India, different states. Even our Bombay, the Calcutta, Delhi, Madras, where is the lots of people was affected, but those people doing the sun meditation, no body was affected. Then one day, that is the one proof, through the sun we can clean. One mother was in the Delhi, and she has to go outside, and she was made the so many people. She was not aware, though she was started the sun meditation few months, and she suddenly got the coronavirus affected. Same symptom was there, but after the doing the sun meditation, she was the got cured. She has been proved another proof that those are affected the coronavirus also through the sun meditation, which got healed. Then one day I was meditating and say to the Babaji, all peoples are not interested for the yoga, but they are interested for the protecting the physical health. and medicine can help to them. And I have a trust to our natural medicine is our ancient Ayurveda can help. And then suddenly my vision is came. Oh, father was used to do that formula. That is a this benefit. So I was started meditating on that. And then first time we product in the Vanaspati Amritam, that first part.
Mm.
And that there I put the the amloki. Amla, amloki, this is the Ayurveda that your South India you say the Nelli guy.
Usiri.
Yeah, that's South India. Yeah, that is yeah.
Oh.
So that is the amla.
Mm.
Hindi amla. Amloki is the Sanskrit terms.
Mm.
Amloki, haldi, turmeric,
Mm.
turmeric powder, amloki powder,
Mm.
and neem.
Neem.
Neem powder is a very very important for the cleansing the antibiotic and microbial infection.
Mm.
And then I put the Ognihatra ash. Ognihatra ash, is a great protection. And the cow, our countryside cow dung, ghee, we burned with the fire in the copper pot.
Mm.
So it is adding to the copper energy,
Mhm.
fire energy, and cow dung, the antiseptic that energy. And after the burning that cow dung as you say, our alkaline, pure alkaline, and it balancing the pH
Mhm.
also. And that, and we add to the honey and salt, rock salt.
Mhm.
So 6 physical things
Mm.
and 4 invisible energy.
Mm.
Sun energy. We purifying all the herbs through the sun energy.
Mhm.
Then make it powder.
Mhm.
Then mix it.
Mm.
And then again 7 days we put on the sunlight to the get charge.
Mm.
Then it is becoming our medicine. So sun energy is silence energy. We cannot give the how much weight we are giving. We cannot. That's the internal.
Mm.
Second thing, Ognihatra energy, fire energy.
Mm.
We cannot measurement.
Mhm.
Third thing is copper bhasya. Means in copper plate we are making burning. Then from the copper energy is coming out
Mm.
to connecting.
Mhm.
So that also invisible.
Mhm.
And fourth important thing is we pray for all the human beings the goodness from deep from the heart.
Mhm.
So our thought energy is connecting there. So at beginning I was put in the 10 elements.
Mm.
Means 6 is the physical amloki,
Mm.
haldi, neem,
Amre.
ash,
Mm.
salt, and honey.
Mm.
And our 4 is the sun,
Copper.
fire energy, copper bhasma, and thought. That 10 energy we applied, and then I then I got feelings. It can help for the anti-cancer.
Mm.
It can protect to our blood sugar,
Mm.
blood pressure,
Mm.
and our that chronic diseases, any kind of chronic diseases, lungs problem, heart, liver, their digestion system, arthritis problem,
Mm.
so many things it will be helping. So then I was trying to get connection. Then I went to Hyderabad, and then I got connection with some doctors, Ayurveda doctors, and then we applied for that manufacturing license to apply from the IS department.
Mm.
And then I got a chance to make the Sivacharya one, Adi Sankaracharya Math in Mahamandalasar.
Mm.
So he's from the Srisailam.
Mm.
And he was given to the one Ayush doctor his name is Dr. Yogeshwar Paule. He has his own hospital. He is the chairperson of the Ayurveda hospital. And he is the one of the authorized doctor from the Ayush department.
Mm.
I talked to him and he has shown the interest. Then I sent him some part of my first medicine, Vanaspati Amritam, to test, means clinical test.
Mhm.
He talked to me, Swamiji is a wonderful work. I was not thinking this much help it will come. And myself I have taken and I given to my patient.
Mm.
Those patients got it and they are came to again to asking to me, give me this medicine, give me this medicine. So it has a wonderful working in the not only the for the coronavirus. It is not our target to the only the coronavirus.
Mm.
Our target. And because
Improving the immunity system.
Yeah.
Mm.
You know, then in future also much higher virus could come.
Mm.
How we can precaution from now itself to protect to the humanity. That my thought is there. So that power I make it.
Mm.
And then he was asking me to product again. So second time I product, which is now is Vanaspati Amritam 2.
Mm.
Where I add two more things.
Mm.
That is, I made it adding there, and by the blessings of the Babajis is they are always it is with me and is our inspiration. And you can see
Mm.
this is the things we are adding. The
Mhm.
sun energy is there, Agniyatra energy, copper bhasma, and our thought energy for copper bhasma, Giloy. Giloy, you know, Giloy is a very powerful medicine. And then our Agnihotra as, then we add the Anahata Chakra, how is connected, that is the 13th element.
Mm.
And I'll come to connecting.
Mm.
Then raw honey, amlaki, turmeric powder, neem, ashwagandha,
Mm.
rock salt,
Mm.
and there is a the 12th element is balancing. How it is balancing, we'll see.
Mm.
And you can see the peoples how we can this through the nature how we can protecting. And so I'm coming to there how we are can cleansing. I'm coming coronavirus, and I bring it to you another part. Here you can see this the 12th element is how connecting. Sun is connecting into our brain directly, connecting through the pineal gland, and it is balancing the 6 gyanendriyas.
Mm.
Agnihotra energy is balancing the space element expanding nature.
Mm.
Thought is the fire element expanding nature.
Mm.
And Agnihotra has connection with the organ, lungs, and working through the eye.
Mm.
Means our lungs is producing the space element expanding nature and working through the eye. And then thought energy, the higher element energy, is working through that our heart, producing through the heart and working through the our ear energy. Coming to the our copper bhasma. Copper plasma is balancing to the air element, which is the producing by the liver and working through the nose. Then Giloy. Giloy is the water element expanding nature. It is working through the kidney, producing through the kidney and working through the our tongue, test. And then our Agnihotra as. Agnihotra as is the earth element expanding nature, which is working through the spleen, producing through the skin, and working through the our skin, spleen and skin. And then it is coming to the honey. Honey is the balancing of the 6 karmendriyas, which is the connecting with the navel, and then is coming to the our amloki is space element contracting energy, which is working through the large intestine, producing through the large intestine and working through the our genital organ. And then turmeric, turmeric powder. Turmeric is the fire element energy. Fire element energy is working, producing our that small intestine and working through the anus, the rectum. And then our
Nimbu power.
neem power. Neem is working air element energy. It is working through the producing through the gallbladder and working through the throat. And then it is coming to the Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is balancing to the water element energy. Our urinary bladder is producing to the water element contracting energy and working to the leg. And then rock salt is the earth element energy, producing the earth element contracting energy is producing our stomach and working through the hand. So all the 12 elements are all the connected through the Anahata chakras, which is the center. Can you understood now?
Yes, Swamiji.
Aditya rhythm.
Aditya Hridayam connectivity.
Can you understood? Every element has connection with the Anahata chakras, and which can bring the thoughtless condition and usually started filament giving the light to bring it our inner light to visualizing to the Anahata chakras. We cannot see through the Anahata chakras. Anahata chakras is producing and looking to the Anahata chakras. So this is the way we made this medicine. And here is the benefits and how you can see the powder. We make the powder, mixing the powder. Then we are mixing with the honey, and then we are putting onto the this box inside, and then we are putting on the sunlight. After the sunlight, then we put on the box. And here is the benefits. The benefits is the first is the immune power, boost the immune power. Tremendous immune power. Do you know how? I was engineer in my physical life. So I was an electronic engineer. So I used to take care of human body also one electronic circuit. Electronic circuit. So in electronic circuit, is power station is a power supply section is a very important section to run the electronics. Similarly, our electronics bodies, our sexual glands, vagina, and our uterus, ovary, testes, lymph gland, and they are our balancing our producing the energy. You know the testes. And ovary is a great place to our generating part of our body, producing the energy. Single spermatozoid can give the alive body life. Single ovum can give our life alive body. Are they not the life energy station? Could you understood?
Yes, Swami.
So which organ is producing spermatozoid? Which organ is producing ovary? That organ are our generator or not?
Yes, Swamiji. Generator.
Today we lose about the self-confidence because of the lack of our emotional imbalance. When you are emotionally imbalanced, then our mentally become weak. We lose the draining the spermatozoid and ovum energy. Then we are becoming weak. Then we lose our immunity power. So these things is the most important part. First, it will be protecting our spermatozoid and ovum, to balancing our energy, producing the proper energy in the body. Then other things very quickly we can remove. That is the basic principle of this medicine. So that's it boosts the immunity power. Then it is the chronical fever. Yeah. And then microbial infection, protected the microbial infection. Then the diabetes also it is controlled. Digestion system, stress and anxiety reducing. Respiratory means breathing problem also could be solved and through this, because I will give you the medicine that pills means the diagram means when what this will come and how it will be improved. Arthritis problem also it could be solved. Then asthmatic system symptoms, it will be vision power will be increasing. Aging, singing and aging means we will be not in the become old age, also will become a young. And then our blood sugar level also will balancing. Then anti-cancer properties is there. So 30 types of cancer could be healed on this medicine. And then cholesterol will be reduced, that balance reducing system, the depression, and the testicle, for the male person, that fertilization will be increased, means powerful. They increase the muscle mass and strength, and reduce the inflammation, and then the cholesterol, then our brain function, memory power, so many things will be there. Vitamin C and other and antioxidant. Then pitta will be balancing and bring it to the balancing to the inflammation. And the sleep, those are could not properly sleep, oversleep and not sleeping, it will balancing. Gastric problem also will be solved. And trace will be the through the trace, the high blood pressure when you increase, it will reduce the trace, so blood pressure will also be become normal. So antioxidant will be become the those cell will be damaged, and that also will be rebuilt. And the heart problem and the manifest of the skin disease also will be solving. Minerals also will be balancing there, and pH level is a very important. Body pH level also will be balancing. So many types of that benefits are there. You know, this is the Ayurveda is what is the great benefit, and what is the our ancient this is the ancient Indian traditional way to build this medicine, and what is the modern medicine, what is the difference, I will show you in this. This is the DNA, which is the gene as the four that protein bond is there. And they are always connected with the cosmic nature. They can receive any time from the cosmos. When we are silent, they can balance, they can purify our body, they can build our immune power, they can do our so many things. But today's modern science, mafia science, they are not happy to nature will protect us. They want to their business. So that's why
medical mafia
change the natural direction to prove. And today you know that all over the world, how many people have died if we go to the ratio 0.0 something % of the population. Am I right? But every 100% people, they make us stress. It's making the fear. It's the mafia technology. So they know very well. Because of a lack of the self-confidence, what they are talking, we are believing them blindly. That is the ritual way we are believing them. Because we lose our the self-confidence. So that's why what they did, they cut off the DNA little part. Then they disconnect the natural flow of the natural energy, cosmic energy. But cosmic energy cannot block. But their direction is blocked. So what they will do, they will flow through the protein to the another direction, and it will highway it is moving. So now it will become an artificial intelligence, robotic energy. Now modern medicine is the chemical medicines, are they do this process, change the DNA's nature. They give the one direction nature as you know, those people are coming with the suicide bomb, means terrorists. Why? How they are become a terrorist? They are become a artificial intellect, and they cut off their emotional part, and they are very cruel. When they are cut off their emotional part, if they cut their physical body, some parts, still they will not afraid, they will not fear it, they will not depressed, they will go front. Similarly, our modern medicine, our allopathic medicine, our chemical medicines are one direction is moving. If there is a disease, that cell also will damage. If not, still it will damage. Because they have no intellect, natural intellect. Where is not required, they will not stop. They will continue working. And that is our ancient, our Indian traditional medicine is the Ayurveda. One is the Ayurveda. It's a natural formula. So that's it. Though there is so many benefits are there, means they have a power to help to our this type of diseases. Those people has no disease. For them, that quality will be silence, natural way that will no create any side effect, no harmful.
Swamiji, how to take this product, Swamiji?
There is a small tablet,
Mm.
that half teaspoon, that we make all things and then make it by hand. We are making the round, and there is I'll show you how to eat, how to take it. There is a formula is here. Early morning 3 to 4 o'clock. First dose for the normal people. If we take, then it will be very very quickly working, because that time is the lunch time. So if we take that medicine in the lunch time, then lungs is the most important part in our body. We can take it the first morning session, morning time. We can take it one tablet, early morning 3 to 4 a.m. And 3 to 4 a.m. Press the mouth and take a 1 glass of hot water, not too much hot, means drinkable, means warm water.
Warm water.
Warm water. Then one pill, one tablet, take it and chewing it. And as longer it can be stay with the saliva, and then it will be more powerful. And that is the Ayush has make the 4 categories of the disease for that this season. Hence, those are just started affected, but symptom is not came out. That is the at beginning stage, and that beginning stage, people can take the single pills, and those have no symptom, they are totally healthy, they also can take it. It is for the precaution for them. So it is healthy person also can take, and those people are started affected, that people also can take. That is for single dose, not every day. And those now second group B, group 2. There is a 2 part is a smile infection and strong infection. So those people got the smile infection, they can take the 2 pills 2 times in a day. It is for the 21 days. All of them for the beginning 21 days course. So first is morning is the same for that beginning 3 to 4 a.m. Second pill is the evening 5 to 6 p.m. inside, when is the kidney time. That is the kidney energy time. And those people are strong infected. For them 3 times. Morning 3 to 4, 11 a.m. to 12 noon. 1 dose, and 5 to 6 p.m. third dose. So this way, and third group, and there is for the pregnant ladies and children. So pregnant ladies, we should give them with the doctor's prescription. It should not be given directly ourselves. It should given by the doctor's prescriptions. And then children, for the children's half dose. Children also can be healthy children, affected children, smile infection, strong infection. It's the same, but all the dose will be half for the children. And fourth group is there, those was that affected, now they are negative, as they are protected. They can take as a normal dose. So for that, this way we are make the dose.
How to get Swamiji this product?
Yeah, that is actually ashram. We have a small place, and my target was not to build, not to make it. I want to give to the somebody, but our doctors, because my purpose is to the protect to the humanity. So now little we are producing, and by the doctor of that our Ayush, Dr. Jogesh Sir J, and he has given to authority, and he has given a license number, and to give us to the medicine. So we put on the level in his name, and by supervision of we are giving to the medicine. So now we can reproduce and we can send. If some people wants to order, they can order through the email sanjogiindia@gmail.com. At least it will take our 15 days to produce again, third time, and then we can serve from ourselves to the courier. And we are not putting any cost of the medicine. It is totally, but we will be, of course, we will be asking to the people to please donate for that what you like, and courier service will give you bill, so they can send to us through the bank account, and we can send them through the courier.
Okay.
This way we can give.
Okay, Swamiji.
Yeah.
Only the product cost is zero, but
Yeah.
only charge courier will.
In our social responsibility way, we cannot put the any cost, because we are not a businessman. And now it's a form of clinical trial form. Of course, my plan, we cannot produce. After that final when we can get the authority from the Ayush department, Pharmaceuticals authority. It is we got the Ayush department doctor authority, but it's not from the Ayush department authority. Step by step we have to go. First the clinical test, then we can prove to the Ayush department, because Ayush doctor is going to the processing and he knows the process. So when we'll get it, then I will give to the one big company. They can give us royalty for the ashram maintenance. It can be, I think, big way to help to the humanity.
Thank you, Swamiji. Thank you explaining total Sun Yoga and Ayurvedic medicine and in the pandemic situation. Thank you giving this opportunity, Swamiji. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and wish everybody's great success, peaceful, blissful, healthy, and enlightened life. Thank you.
Thank you, Swamiji. Thank you.